इट्स अ गुड न्यूज़ फॉर द पीपल ऑफ मीरा भाईंदर। आज नया डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेशन कोर्ट का इनाग्रेशन हुआ मीरा भाईंदर में, जो काफ़ी मीरा रोड और भाईंदर के लोगों को राहत देगा। 1.8 मिलियन रेसिडेंट्स यहाँ पर मीरा भाईंदर में रहते हैं और जिनको अपने कोर्ट प्रोसीडिंग्स वगैरह के लिए थाने जाना पड़ता था, वो अब वहाँ जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। 25 किलोमीटर्स अवे थाने डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में जाके ट्रैवलिंग इश्यूज़ वो सबको काफ़ी कर्टेल करके नाउ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेशन कोर्ट इज़ एट योर होम।
आणि खऱ्या अर्थाने ठाणेकर असलेले आदरणीय अभयओक साहेब आणि महिला दिनाच्या मुहूर्तावर इथं न्यायदेवतेची प्रतिष्ठापना होती आहे, याचा खूप आनंद आहे।
मीरा भाईंदरचं कोर्टाचं उद्घाटन होत आहे। आपले नवीन मुख्य न्यायमूर्ती त्यांना एक गोष्ट मला आवडून सांगायची की ठाणे जिल्हा हा एक वेगळा जिल्हा आहे। याचं कारण असं आहे की भारतातला एकच जिल्हा असा आहे की जिथे 7 महानगरपालिका आहेत। दुसऱ्या जिल्ह्यात 7 महानगरपालिका नाहीत भारतात।
Happy Women's Day to you.
Thank you.
And on Women's Day, such kind of inauguration of session court has been there into prominence. What is your take on this?
See, first of all, जितने भी मैटर्स होते हैं, सी कोर्ट इज़ एन वेरी यू कैन से सबका आस कोर्ट पे से है। अगर एक गाड़ी भी टच हो गई या कुछ भी हो गया, ऑल्दो प्रोसीडिंग्स टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, बट पीपल विल कम अप विद ओनली वन डायलॉग, आई विल सी यू इन कोर्ट। सो यही ये जगह है। लेट्स होप जस्टिस प्रिवेल्स हियर एंड इंस्टेंटली जस्टिस हो।
In a city like Mira Bhayandar, there are around 1.8 million residents who are staying. And for their matter to settle in court, they have to go all the way to Thane court, which is more than 25 kilometers from here.
Approximately 20
I think it's a big respite for the residents of Mira Bhayandar.
Correct, because we have to travel. It takes almost 2 hours. I myself drive to court every day. It takes 2 hours to go to and fro, minimum 4 hours, and it is very relaxing here. Sooner sessions will also be transferred here. So far only JMFC is here. Sessions will soon come here.
The inauguration of session court today at Mira Bhayandar, how do you think it will give respite to the residents of Mira Bhayandar?
The main thing is that Mira Road people won't be they will not be able to travel to Thane much easier. So it will be better over here in Mira Road. See, it is since we live in Mira Road, it is just 2 to 3 kilometers away from our house. So it will be very better for us than traveling to Thane. It is very hectic to travel to Thane. First of all, we have to travel by Ghodbunder, so we have to go by bus. It takes almost 1.5 hours, and also because of the traffic, it becomes very hectic.
You are a practicing lawyer or you are studying law still?
I'm a practicing lawyer. I've completed my LLM too.
You look too young.
Oh,
What kind of cases do you generally handle?
I handle both civil and criminal matters, and I handle title reports of properties.
Ma'am, a very happy Women's Day to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
You also happen to be a lawyer by profession.
Yes, sir.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of this session court out here?
It's not like disadvantage. Advantage is much more, because the main thing is that we have to travel from Mira Road to Thane, and we have to face traffic. Sometimes we have just stuck in the traffic for 3 to 4 hours. That also. So now we have to not travel over there, and it's very easy from our house also. And JMFC courts are also there, so remand we have to attend, because for remand also we have to wait over there.
Amongst all the hustle bustle, I find a bunch of students from a law college, Shri L.R. Tiwari College of Law. They are the budding aspirants who are studying law. Let's first talk to their mentor. Hi, sir.
Hello.
What inspiration does one derive from here?
See, being a law professor and also practicing lawyer, so it is a proud moment for Mira Bhayandar and the residents of Mira Bhayandar. And apart from it, the law students will be more inspired. And during their academics, the court has been inaugurated. So it is a good it will be a very good motivation from there. They can very easily access to the courts. After their college hours, they can visit to the courtrooms. They can have direct practical knowledge, which is very much essential So for it, so we all advocates of Meera Bhayandar as well as future upcoming lawyers of Meera Bhayandar are welcoming this court building, and we are very happy for it.
Right now, we can say we are standing under a temple of law, you know, with some young aspirants here. First of all, happy Women's Day to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
With Happy Women's Day, the inauguration has taken place. Do you feel the necessary empowerment in you?
Yes, of course, I feel that.
You are in first year of law. What are you studying?
No, I'm in third year of law.
I mean, tell me something more. What is law? Why did you choose this option? What's your name?
My name is Iram Sheikh and I choose law as a career because I am very interested in criminal side. So I want to become a criminal lawyer.
We have with us a very prominent lawyer who was there on stage, Mr. Adesh Patil. Sir, it's a boon for the people of Meera Bhayandar.
It's really a boon for the people of Meera Bhayandar. They used to travel for hours together to reach Thane to attend their cases. Not only the advocates, but for the litigants also, it was important that the court should be established here. And now we are very happy that after a long struggle of about 10 to 12 years,
great achievement for the Meera Bhayandar people who are awaited a lot since last 13 to 14 years. Now the court has started, and it's a pleasure for each and every person of the Meera Bhayandar.